Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most easiest one also, as it only requires your basic numerical and basic mathematical skills. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. So here we are given three fractions p, q and r, and we are to find which of the given inequality is true. Here p is 3 by 5, q is 7 by 9, and r is 5 by 7. Okay, p is 3 by 5, q is 7 by 9, r is 5 by 7. Okay, now first of all we have to evaluate the LCM of the numbers in denominator, that means 5, 9 and 7. LCM of 5, 9 and 7, and this results in 315. Now if we multiply 315 to each of these fractions, we get a number 7 by 9 into 315. Therefore we get 245, and here we get 225. Okay, so in this way we can compare p, q and r, and the correct inequality is p, which is less than r, and r is less than q. Therefore the correct answer is option C. Now let's check the next question. A train running at 36 km per hour crosses a pole in 25 seconds. Now we have to find the length of the train. Okay, so speed of the train in meter per second is 36 into 5 by 18. Speed of train in meter per second is 36 into 5 by 18, which means 10 meter per second. Okay, now time taken to cross a pole is 25 seconds given by the question. Time taken to cross the pole is 25 seconds. Now the length of train is equals to, now the length of train is equals to speed of train into time taken to cross the pole. Speed of the train multiplied by time taken to cross the pole. Now speed of the train is 10 meter per second, and time taken to cross the pole is 25 seconds. So if we multiply this, then we get 250. Therefore the length of the train is 250 meters. Hence the option A is the correct answer. So we have solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to drop a message at these two numbers 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sarosasclasses.com. Thank you very much.